So hi guys, this is the second part of part 5. Today we will see hippos, how cute they are. Today we will have a lot of fun. See, we were gonna meet some hippos. First we will meet some victory ducks. Look that hippo, look. They are going in the water line by line. See? So big, right? Look this one. They will feed the hippopotamus. He will eat it. See?
Oh my God.
एक ही $50 का था वो बस।
Look that bird, the black one. It's so wonderful. This is a victory duck. I mean, it was a pelican duck. And it was so fun over there. I was feeding them prawns. See, a lots of pelican ducks. And look, my brother, he's also having fun there. Now we were getting ready for the boat. This is what the island of pelican ducks. We were just feeding them the ducks. Look, their beak is so long, right? They can eat anything, even big fishes.
Show me your face.
And then we were getting ready for the boat ride. Yes, we were feeding them prawns. And make sure we wear gloves. See? Kabir jackets. Now we're in the boat, guys. See, the duck is following the boat because they know I will feed them prawns. And they were very hungry. I was feeding them prawns like they were like eating everyone's, like one duck eat like at least 3 ducks that the beak. And look, that's Swan Island. So they were falling. Now we were going home. Me, all of them. Now we with the same train, and this is the speed of the train. We are going. Like and subscribe to my channel, and if you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe and bye.